Mayor McLean's new COVID-19 health order also means one of the Treasure Valley's only ice rinks will be closing its doors through the summer of 2021. Our Lindsay Anmanson has more on what led to Idaho IceWorld's closure.
Taking a facility like that is highly popular, has a lot of folks that utilize that facility during the wintertime. We knew it was going to be an inconvenience and certainly something that, was going to be taking away a very high recreational opportunity.
The local hockey and skating community devastated by the news, but the city says the decision had to be made based on the current spike in COVID-19 cases.
It shouldn't be a huge surprise based on what the numbers are looking like, and also based upon what our hospital officials are telling us, that we are at a position of a healthcare crisis in our hospitals. And so, to combat that, there are a lot of really tough decisions that we're having to make at the city level in order to try to get on top of that.
The decision also came down to financial concerns.
That facility is a winter-based revenue-generating facility. It is a huge fixed cost asset to the city to operate it 12 months a year, but we make our financial viability in that facility between the months of October and March. Once we get outside the month of March, it bleeds cash severely, but we do well enough in that period of time that it is a financially viable operation to continue to operate in the spring and summer.
Generating enough revenue has already been a challenge for them this year.
We have been working hard since August to get the facility open, do it safely with appropriate protocols in place. We've worked very closely with all of our stakeholders and our customers to get that done. But even with all of those measures in place, we still were seeing about a 55 to 60% reduction in our revenues,
which led to the decision to close IceWorld until September 30th, 2021.
First and foremost, a concern for the safety of our community and the safety of our employees, but it does meet a crossroad with, is it financially viable? Are we doing right by our tax-paying citizens to keep something going that is actually going to cost the city money before the end of the fiscal year?
Lindsay Amundson, Idaho News 6.